So I can't remember if I showed this on the other side, but in the past, this Land Rover's had a new rear quarter chassis, and all they've done is sort of sleeve it over the old chassis, and that's why there's this sort of bulge in the welding lines. Well, it's all well and good, but this is what happens inside when you do that. You get a multi-layer cake of rust, basically. So it just rots from the inside out. There's not a lot I can do, really. I'll stick the wire brush up there and put a bit of paint over it, but yeah, that's all I can do. And then we'll pop a new plate on here and hide it all. So this spring's looking rather nice. This one's all clean. I've got to degrease it, get it in there to spray it. It's my little plate there with some weld through primer on the back. And poor Graham is trying to remove those horrid bushes in the back. You alive down there, Graham?
Pardon?
Are you alive?
Yeah, just about.
I've ordered a new outrigger, a seal and a clutch slave cylinder. They won't be here till later on next week. So poor old Nimlet is going to have to stay in here for a while. Right, so what are we doing today? Or what's Graham been doing today? He's been doing a lot. The fuel tank is removed. This is the big fuel tank shaped hole. Up here there should be a fuel tank mounting piece, but that's gone. Where is it? There it is, on the floor. There we are, that's what's left of it. Awful. I'm gonna get copyrighted with the music. I'll just keep talking and then you can't hear the music. And this all is rotten here, so we're gonna remove the whole thing and replace the whole thing with a new outrigger. Turned the radio off now because I don't want to get into trouble. Now, this was the side I welded yesterday and I was about to just paint it, you know, and be done with it. But no, it's not that easy, is it? Life's never that easy. I found a hole, ta-da, in a very awkward place. And to top it off, we have a matching hole on this side. Terrible, isn't it? So I now have these holes to patch up, which I'm just going to plate over because it's so awkward, and then we just paint it all up and be done with it. An even bigger shaped hole and another hole. How many more holes has this thing got? Oh my god. Oh no. That and the big pool of oil that we forgot to mention as well. Yes. My dad had changed the oil seal for the front of the transfer box, but it was a poor quality seal and it doesn't seem to like being jacked up at the back, so it's all tipped out. So I ordered another seal. What? I haven't right on with my gloves. There they are. With the cookies, of course. Everybody keeps their gloves with the cookies. Oh my god, there's just pieces falling off everywhere. So, yeah, I don't know. Getting there, it's better than this. This was the very first attempt, I think. Here was a bit pooey. And this is getting neater here, so not bad. Here's one of the little plates I'm going to put in with a massive oversized magnet to hold it in place. Oh dear. I'm very sorry, Nimlet. Oh. What have I forgotten? You have to. There you are. Oh, it's not terrible. I've managed to get some of it. Hi. Oh, crotch. I got crotch. I got polystyrene on my head. How does it keep coming undone?
Pardon?
It would help if I didn't keep coming undone.
Probably.
Cover up your crutch when welding, people. I did it.
So this is the rear end of the petrol tank.
Hang on. I'm gonna have to come down and see what Graham's doing.
I've
Just lean over you, don't mind
fixed
me.
the hole in there,
Okay, the hole is fixed.
and then this piece I've made up, and that can go along there,
Excellent.
against there, and that'll do nicely.
Brilliant.
I've just put a plate over that hole there,
Yeah,
give it a bit of extra strength in as well.
nice one. Well done.
Okay, cool. I've done that hole down there as well. That's all welded up.
Oh, you did that one?
Yeah, I've got to grind that one up too. I've got to make a plate for that one.
That's not bad going.
No, we're getting there.
Well done. Whew. So this side of the chassis is looking better. I put seam sealer over the welding I did. Looks messy, but it'll be fine when the underseal's on there. All underneath. That plate we did yesterday is all now black with hammerite. Tidied up a few sides of the fuel tank. Couldn't be bothered to do it all, to be honest. Just done enough. Done all up, you know, behind as well, so. Time to go home.